Welcome to the Academy at Shawnee campus, home to some of the best students and staff in Louisville, Kentucky, Jefferson County, and the Shawnee neighborhood. My name is Kim Rice, and I have the honor and pleasure of serving as the leader of this great place of learning. Today, we are here to honor one of our very own. I hope I don't mess this up. Ms. Wakila Ivonne Davila-Beegle. Our paths crossed over 10 years ago when we were both working outside of Jefferson County. Mrs. Beegle and I formed a kinship almost immediately. When I first met her, I was impressed by the consummate dedication to students. It was obvious to me that the needs of her students was her #1 priority. That was over 10 years ago. She still has that same dedication and commitment. Mrs. Beegle is not only a champion for students, but she is a staunch advocate for Shawnee. Mrs. Beegle drives over 70 miles one way to Shawnee every day. Nothing, and I mean nothing, stops her from being here for her kids. She is that colleague we can all count on, who is always looking for the positive in everyone and is always willing to dive in and do the work. We are very fortunate to have Mrs. Beegle at Shawnee. She will do anything to support our students, staff, the school, and her principal. So today, Mrs. Beegle, I want to personally thank you for being on this journey with me, and thank you for all you do for Shawnee. At this time, we are going to have remarks from our superintendent, Dr. Marty Polio, followed by comments from our board chair, Mrs. Diane Porter.
Come on now. Hi, guys. I've had the opportunity to talk to you a little bit here today. I'm excited to be here at the Academy at Shawnee. So it is, first of all, I want to tell you how important this is. The ExCEL Award is an award that we only give to about 6 or 7 JCPS teachers every year. Only 6 or 7. There are like 6,000 teachers in JCPS. So you mathematicians out there can do the percentage. That's a very low percent of teachers that get this. It is an extremely high honor that you need to know about and realize that this is the best of the best is essentially what this is. So you are blessed to have such an incredible teacher in Ms. Beegle and what she does. I've sat here, I've been impacted by her just sitting here for the past 10 minutes and how much she knows about each one of you. And she talks and she cares and she knows what you do. It's a special teacher, and to drive as far as she does every single day because she loves you guys, that says a lot. When I saw the letter that Sequoia wrote to her, I know, Sequoia, I'm going to embarrass you again, and how much that means to Miss Beegle. It is clear, very clear, that she is a special, special teacher. I think this may be, as I recall, the first Spanish teacher we've had as an ExCEL Award. So, I mean, this is going to be the top of the top when we talk about foreign language teachers in JCPS. And you all have her here at the Academy at Shawnee, and she is committed to you guys. So don't ever forget how important it is to have a great teacher like Miss Beegle here and what she does for you. And I want to read some of the comments that some of her colleagues have said about her. The entire front office team at the Academy at Shawnee refers to Miss Beegle as Mama Beegle. Do you call her Mama Beegle? That's good feedback right there. Come on, guys. When I do this at elementary schools, they all respond and they're enthusiastic. So you got to step it up a little bit. And they say that because of how she cares for and is always looking for ways to serve the students, staff, and school community. Miss Beagle's classroom is a vibrant, welcoming place. The 4 walls that enclose her space create a community much like a family. I mean, that is awesome. And it just goes to show you, content knowledge is important, but there's nothing more important for a teacher than the relationships they build with kids. And clearly she has done that. I want to thank WHAS 11 for continuing the sponsorship of this so we can recognize teachers like Ms. Beegle. She deserves it. Also, I want to recognize LG&E and KU for their sponsorship. So she's going to get a big check here soon. I know you all, like elementary school students, when we give the big check, they all go like, oh my gosh. So I'm expecting that same reaction from you. But thank you, LG&E and KU, for your sponsorship. And I am honored to represent JCPS and congratulate you, Ms. Beegle, for being an ExCEL Award winner.
They get all my money, so
Yeah.
I'll ask them how to spend it.
Congratulations. And at this time, it is my honor to introduce our board chair, who represents this district right here. The Academy at Shawnee is one of her schools. She's very proud to always be here. You've probably seen her many times before. Our board chair, Ms. Diane Porter.
Thank you, Dr. Polio. It is my pleasure to be here. It's always great to see students, particularly when they're here to honor their teacher. And I see some smiles this morning and some, little hand loves, and that's very important. I'm not going to talk long because it's not about me today. It's about this wonderful teacher. I'm honored to be here this morning to congratulate and thank Ms. Beegle. Our students are embraced and exposed to quality education because of her work, and we are grateful for that. You, as a teacher, are dedicated and determined to leave no student behind. That's what education is about. All students can move forward, and she has committed herself to that by some of the things that Dr. Polio has said to us, driving to Shawnee 70 miles one way, being here for the students, that is amazing. Principal Rice, thank you for Ms. Beegle on your team. Your leadership matters because you can find the best and the brightest, so thank you on this journey also. My job is to ensure that our students, our teachers, our administrators, and all staff have everything they need to provide quality education. I am honored to be your school board member in District 1. My District 1 expects me to do everything I'm doing, and they don't want me to stop. I am here to speak for you and for your education, and I am blessed to do that because I started life as an educator, so it will never go away. So thank you. It's wonderful to see the students, and for this honor this morning. I always have to say something about Maya Angelou, those of you that are used to me talking. And it's important that I say this after I've heard some things today. People may forget what you say, they may forget what you do, but they will never forget how you make them feel. She has made her students special, and they appreciate that. I appreciate that. Ms. Beegle, thank you, and congratulations. Give her a huge round of applause.
Hi, I'm Haley Turner, and I've been Ms. Beagle's student for 2 years, well, 3 years actually, during COVID. Ms. Beagle is an amazing woman, probably the most influential person in my life. She is always there for her students. She cooks for special events, sews up any rips in our clothes, and provides what her kids needs. She puts in a lot of personal time, effort, and money for us. She is someone who will always be in your corner, even 10 years down the road. She doesn't let people have bad days. If she sees you upset, she is going to come sit by you and bug you until you smile. She will be right there. That is why I'm thankful to call her my teacher. I knew she was going to cry.
How y'all doing? My name's Tyler Holstein. I'm the senior class president for Shawnee, and I would just like to say congratulations, Ms. Beagle. Wonderful to hear that you have won this award, and it means a lot. 6 out of what you said, 7 people maybe get picked out of 6,000?
Yep, every year.
Amazing. But I would just like to say Ms. Beagle is a wonderful leader, and she has done wonderful things for the Academy of Shawnee. Since I've been here, I've only been here for 1.5 years, but since I've been here, she's been the talk of the school for leading us into a new era at Shawnee. She is a beacon of hope for all of our students and staff, and she hopes for us to achieve higher levels of learning. She engages in all of her classes with high energy teaching and puts motivational thoughts through our ears while we're working. This ain't the only thing that she does, though. She is also the head of our sponsor for our class president. Financially and emotionally, she puts together everything for us and makes sure everything's good, so, because, students can't lead everything. She has chaperoned all of our field trips and even paid for senior dues for students who weren't financially available to make the payments come graduation. It's an amazing thing. Some students always, not all students are financially, I guess you could say, they ain't got it, but Ms. Beagle made sure that they got it, and that's amazing. And this is why I say Ms. Beagle is a leader for all students and staff here and is a key member of the staff at Shawnee High School.
Good morning, Shawnee. Great to be here. I am Brent McKim. I am a teacher in the district, and I'm the elected president of the Teachers Association, and it's such an honor to be able to be here and help celebrate Ms. Beagle. I was thinking about it. My whole life, I had always heard that Beagles were loyal and playful and loving. I just thought they were talking about puppy dogs. I did not realize they were talking about Spanish teachers. Clearly, though, they must be talking about Spanish teachers because that totally describes your Spanish teacher, Ms. Beagle. I'll tell you, I have the honor of representing about 6,000 teachers, and one of the coolest things about being able to do that is to get to celebrate about 1 in 1,000, like your teacher, Ms. Beagle, when they receive this amazing recognition. And there is a special way that the teachers are able to recognize their peers. And that we do that through what's called a Schoolhouse Award. So I want to present that, and I want to present it with a special thank you because Ms. Beagle, as a teacher, Ms. Beagle is a role model for me and those other 6,000 teachers I represent. So I want to say thank you to her for what she does for you all, what she does for your school, and for being a role model for the rest of us so we can aspire to be like her. So with that, it's my honor to recognize her and present her with this Schoolhouse Award from the Teachers Association.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Haley Minogue. I am a morning news anchor at WHAS 11, and I have the pleasure of presenting on behalf of WHAS 11. This is my 4th ExCEL Award season, I think, and like Dr. Polio said, I don't think I've presented to a Spanish teacher before, so really exciting to be able to present to a foreign language teacher. I found a lot in my adulthood that while I was taking foreign language, I didn't understand how important it would be in my future. I told myself that I wanted to be a journalist, and I was like, so, I've got to figure out how to speak good English because that's what you do when you're a journalist, right? You talk to the people you're presenting to. Here in the city of Louisville, our Spanish-speaking populations are growing exponentially every single day. I've heard multiple times that we have the 2nd largest Cuban population per capita in the entire country. So, yeah, there you go. So it's so important to be good at speaking Spanish, but not only looking at a piece of paper and saying, okay, here are my vocab words. So I love seeing that Miss Beagle is teaching you all in a full way. You're learning art, you're getting ready to do fashion, you're doing Spanish in a way that lets you go out into the world and use those skills practically. Not just that you can write well or that you can pass a test. You are learning Spanish in the way that so many adults wish that they learned. And seeing Miss Beagle's compassion too in the way that she teaches you guys, not just talking about even Spanish, but the way that she talks about life and the way that she talks about relating to her students, watching her feed her students that were hungry just because they're hungry. Those are things that teachers in our communities should be doing, and I'm so glad that they have someone like Miss Beagle to look to set that example. So I'm not going to take any more time, but without further ado, Okay. On behalf of WHAS 11 and LG&E and KU, congratulations to Ms. Beagle. You are an ExCEL Award winner. Thank you. This is heavier than it looks.
Oh, wow.
I know, right?
I can lift weights with
Can you
this.
take a picture really fast? Perfect. Thank you. Congratulations. And next up, we have Leardis Allen from LG&E and KU.
Hi, good morning, everyone. It's so great to be here. This is actually one of the most exciting parts of my day where I can come alongside WHAS 11 to honor some of JCPS brilliant teachers. And I say this often, this award is such an amazing honor because we have great teachers like Ms. Beagle who is energizing and empowering the next generation. So we're gonna do something a little different. Reading Ms. Beagle's nomination packet, it shows that she's very energetic. So I want you all to give start this a round of applause as if your favorite musician is here. Go ahead, let's get these cheers going. So on behalf of LG&E and KU Energy and WHAS 11, we would like to present this check for $1,000 to Ms. Beagle that we know will be utilized well in her classroom. Thank you.
We're going to bring Mrs. Beagle up for remarks, and we also have a presentation for you from Shawnee. There's a song that says, "Give me my flowers while I live so that I may see the beauty that they bring." So here you go, Ms. Beagle.
This is my favorite color too, by the way. It's purple. Oh, thank you. The first person I want to thank is Kimberly Rice, because she's the one who made the phone call and said, "Are you interested in working at Shawnee? We have a Spanish position." And so I left the job that I was doing. I had a fancy title, but fancy titles don't matter to me. So I was teaching Spanish at Paris High School, but as I was also the director of technology, the person who repaired all the computers, and I fixed all the other stuff. So I did like 10 jobs, and I thought, if I could go to Shawnee, I know that I would have the opportunity to teach in the way that I love to teach, which is a full, enriched curriculum. And so I want to thank Kimberly Rice for giving me the opportunity to do what I love all day long, which is teach Spanish, and that's what I get to do. I also want to thank my students, because without them, I wouldn't be up here. They come into my room with an open mind. They come into my room with a willingness to learn and an ability to think critically, and I love that about them. That's one of the things that they learn as much from me as I learn from them, and so it's a two-way street. And so I want to thank my students, because my students are the reason, like Sequoia, that I get up early in the morning, and I come here, I get up at 4 o'clock every day. I do yoga. Yeah, 5 o'clock next year. I do yoga, and then I make my drive in after I have 2 cups of coffee and a soda. And so I come here every day, and that's why I have a lot of energy, because I drink caffeine. But I want to thank my students, because my students are the reason I get up every day, and I have the energy to do what I do. And I'm going to be here until they roll me out of here in a wheelchair. I've already told you guys that. And so I love being a teacher at Shawnee. I love you guys. I tell you guys that all the time. I could be anywhere, but this is where I choose to be. And so thank you to all of my students who support me, who come into my room, and who are willing to do things that are out of their comfort zone to learn something new. So I appreciate that. Thank you, guys.